Yeah, let's do it. Oh, wow.
Fast you are. Oh, whoa, wait up. Hey, BC kids! All right, guys, you remember the 4,000 gallon pond? Today it gets filled. I'm gonna do a rewind. I'm gonna show you this thing getting broken down. I'll show you when Paul had it, and then us getting it rebuilt. Hector came and painted it, and today we're gonna fill this sucker full of some amazing fish. So enjoy the video and stick a
Flashback.
So we are gonna turn Paul's 4,000 gallon that looks like this into this. Man, I've slept like 2 hours. I'm so tired, but Hector was knocking at the door saying, come on man, let's get this going. So Hector is here and we're ready to transform the 4,000 gallon fish tank back into a 4,000 gallon fish tank. Right now you can see the damage that Paul's fish did. So we're gonna have to clean it all out, sand it all down, and get some fresh paint on there. I think this time around, from advice from Paul, we're not gonna put any gravel because the problem with the gravel is the fish would poop and it would get inside the gravel and turn the water black. So we're not gonna go with any gravel this time. We're just gonna keep the blue paint, maybe get some lily pads on there. It's gonna be amazing. Stick around.
Hi everybody, good morning. Ready for the next project?
This is the one.
Yeah.
You know you're amazing, right? Everybody comments and said Hector is the greatest, he should have his own YouTube.
You think?
So you guys remember the gravel that Paul had on the bottom of this, right? We're taking it all out. It's all filled with fish poop. If you look closely, you can probably see a couple nuggets. So we're taking that and we're gonna bring it over here. So now when it rains, there's gonna be no more big puddles. Look at this, you can still see the blue. I'll probably get that out. But yeah, we're gonna put all that here, so when you pull up in the driveway, there's no big puddles, because as of right now, when it rains, it's literally another pond over there. I should put fish in there. I always feel like somebody's watching me. This is Anthony. He's a professional basketball player and boxer. He's 7 years old, but he acts like he's 15. Where's your hands? Show me your hands. Like this, and throw a couple punches. Let's see how fast you are. Oh, whoa, wait, don't hurt no.
Oh my God.
Oh, you guys saw that?
I'm too old. Oh.
So these guys are out here sanding. It's raining so bad right now. I'm gonna get water everywhere, but you guys have to see this. Look at how dedicated this man is to his work. He is full of dust. Hector, you look like you're in the Blue Man Group. You know what that is in Las Vegas? Those guys that dance?
Oh yeah.
Soon after.
I think it all dried out.
Yeah, so last night, these guys sanded it and got it all cleaned up. And then we had to dry it all out to get it ready for paint. And we put a tarp on it because it looked like it was gonna rain last night. But as you see, we got clear skies today and we are ready for paint. So you gotta mix this with this.
Yeah.
And then it turns this color. What's that?
Yeah.
What's that stuff?
This is the name right here.
Pool paint.
You see the name?
Yeah.
Now we have to mix together.
So first he goes around the outside with a border.
Oh yeah.
And he uses a brush to get right in the cracks in the corners. Then he uses a roller to do the rest. I'm gonna show some clips for when Paul did this originally, and he's doing it just the same way, except there's a difference. Since it's already been painted this color and sanded down and dried out and repainted, it's gonna be even brighter.
Paint day, there's always time for a dance break!
So
of flashback.
Guys, we're at CMP Growers Inc. right outside of West Palm Beach, Florida.
Dude, this place is a hidden gem right on the side of the road here, and you can't even tell, but you come in here and these guys got all the best fish, all the best koi at least. What's it say?
It says citrus, mangoes, koi fish, all sizes.
So we're gonna go in here. They called us up and they said they got a ton for us. So we're gonna grab like 15 of them jokers and fill that tank up. Anthony, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get it. What are these?
Bigger koi.
Hey, I want 15 of those.
These are bigger.
Couple of those.
These are bigger.
Couple of those.
These are small.
Oh wait, what about all of this?
Turtle.
These are even bigger.
Turtle. There's a turtle right there. Oh,
So now we're gonna walk around and we're gonna select about 15 of them, but no turtles. Patient with them, we don't want to hurt them. If you end up getting that striped one in there too at the same time, it's fine. All right. One down, 14 to go.
where'd you go?
Money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I'd like to see you wiggle wiggle.
Oh, you got it.
Good shot.
You want it?
I want one that has like all the colors, the orange, the black, and the white. One of those.
Yeah, those are cool.
Yeah, that one like that would be sick. See what you got so far. And then like a bright orange one. Ryan, what else did you want to get from him from this tank?
So we're gonna get an all white one right there.
That-
and we're gonna get that one, and we're gonna get that one, and the orange one. Oh, that one tie dye. And then the black one, and then that one. Oh, look at the all black one. The all black one,
I
and
was
then
thinking more about that tie-dye one.
yeah, that one looks like
blue. Hey, we're gonna need lily pads.
All right, just in luck. This place has that as well. We're gonna go ahead and get this, maybe one of these and one of these, and we're gonna fill up this pond. That one started blooming today. Something about lily pads I really like. I just love the way lily pads look when they're coming out of water and they bloom and turn colors like red, purple, and neon yellow. Getting loaded up, and then we're gonna take this to the house and fill up the pond. And dang, did you add in some chicken food for us? Whose was that?
Jayla, she's
Something-
chicken.
Oh, bark, bark, chicken, chicken.
She had to get lunch. She was hungry.
It's funny when you forget about food in here and then you're like, I got an egg. Did you just hit the camera with your head? Oh, they look beautiful. All right, so what we're getting now is cinder blocks. We're gonna put that on the bottom of the pond, sideways, and then we're gonna put the lily pad pots on top of that, so the lily pads stay on top of the water and continue to flourish.
A little later.
We're back and we are acclimating them. So basically we're gonna leave them in here for like 30-40 minutes while we set up the lily pads. We're gonna keep adding some water. We actually made sure we're the exact same temperature, our water, as their water is. Thought about that before when I went last time. So yeah, Ryan, grab the things. Grab the lily pads, gotta get them in the water. Watch yourself, there's a trunk there. Cinder blocks.
Trying, pretending.
Let's see if you got muscles.
Grab the other side, Melissa. You're weak. No, because you're weak. Sorry. You got it? Or you just
Yeah, you stuck on that.
lift it up more. Lift it up.
Come on guys, you got this.
Do you even know you're putting it?
Yeah, lift it.
We got the lily pads out. They look amazing. They're gonna grow and fill this whole thing up. We got Rihanna in here.
I don't want to be in here. It's so slippery.
And I think the koi are acclimated. It's been about 30 minutes. So,
More than that, like an hour.
give or take. So we'll let a little bit of that water in there when you open the bag. Aw, there you are, buddy.
That one's so pretty.
Skeletor.
Oh, twins.
That's what scares me. What if they just start
I
attacking
do
me?
mine.
Next one. Be free, homie.
Go. Be free. You can see them all when you need it.
They're kind of getting stuck.
Help him out a
I'm
little.
trying to help them.
Oh.
Don't stress them.
Like a tiger.
This one's trying to go to the bottom of the bag.
Tiger.
Well, it looks so good in this water. It's like crystal clear.
He tried to bite my foot.
They
Bite.
can't bite.
He's gonna bite my
They don't
foot.
have teeth.
What are you talking about? They don't bite the koi fish,
Oh my God.
bro.
Your hand's in the way.
Yeah, they're trying to get out. My hand was in the way.
Look at that big yellow one compared to all of them.
Oh,
Look at that big
gotta help
yellow
them
one.
out.
Look at
The bag is like the bag has a.
I love the white one.
Okay,
I
now
love
they can be.
The yellow one's so big. The yellow one's released. No.
All right. So now we're gonna let them swim around for a minute, maybe get them some food. I doubt they're gonna eat on the first day. However, we're gonna try to give them a little bit of food and we'll be back to you in a jiffy.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Click up here to watch more videos.